Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how we can remove or clear the wish list. First of all, we will get wish list, like how many items we have in the wish list. Okay, so let's start with it. So this is guest wishlist API. So I'm just do the same flow that we have done. This namespace. Okay, so remove the where is wishlist API? Removing this part. Okay, so let's start with it. So this we are going to return the wishlist items that we have. Okay, so overviewment of the code is already I have given. So this is just result factor customization we will get, and wishlist if it is we get from the store product details, tags and all, image URL key and everything. Okay, so let's start with it. Let's run the commands. Okay, let's run the permissions. Permissions I have given. So let's run the guest list API. That's simple. Get wish list. Remove this product. And let's add one more product also in the wish list so that we are on the same page. We have testing we have added. Let's run over here. Testing.html. Test product is added, no? Testing is added. Okay, so add test.html. Test.html in the wish list. So add to the wish list. So two products are added. Okay. So it will return two products. Okay. So let's run this API. Wish list. We first of all check whether the URL is same or not. Get wish list. Wish 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 list. Let's run. Oh, get wish list has issues. So let's figure out what's the issue. Where report residue. Get wishlist interceptor does not exist. Okay, means we need to run the object manager. We haven't rerun that. So let's because that object needs to be created in the generated so that they can collect. So let's run the compile. Class Magento. Oh, helper. We haven't removed it. Get wish list. Where it left? Helper. Oh shit. We haven't removed this helper classes. So that's the reason it is showing some errors. Custom helper. Custom helper. The custom helper to get the symbol. So let's remove it. It adds the symbol dollar helper. Okay, so now we are done. So let's compile. So this is done. Let's do the upgrade. Okay, now let's run the last command. So this is done. So let's run the command and hope it will work. Oh, again there is an issue. Let's go to the code. This is product helper in this undefined variable product helper. Okay. On line number which? 23. 23 line number we have the issue. Let's check get wish list. Line number 23. Product helper. Where is product helper? Which line number they are saying? Line number 23. Product helper. Where is product helper? And where it is using product helper? Let's check. Text list. Okay. So wish list. Check wish list. Product get ID. For the time being, we will comment this. Okay, let's run. Again, there is error. Protect and helper. How many classes they have? Protect helper. Okay, let's remove this. I have removed this. I will just run the cache flush command for now. Yeah, sudo cache flush, cache flush, conditions. Okay, let's run. See, we have the items 1 and 2. These two items we are in the wish list. Testing and test. Here testing and test. Both products are showing in the wish list. Okay. So this is how we can get the of wish list of a customer in Magento 2. So I hope you will like this video. Have a great day.